Hello everyone, today we'll see how to delete a Kubernetes cluster, AKS Kubernetes cluster. Just log into portal.azure.com and then search for Kubernetes service. As I have recently searched it, so it's in my recent services. Just go in there, and then it will show you the installed clusters on that page. Just choose the service that you want to delete. Click on that, then you will find a delete option over here. Just click on this. It will ask you to confirm. Just click on yes, and this task will start. You can see the deleting container services. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes to do that. It depends on your cluster size and all. So that's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.